Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs how to show your pupil in the. If you can like today's video and share it with to you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very guys. I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Before sure to write in the comment box how well like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself. If you guys you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Is amazing. Every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribe my channel Crochet Lovers. Thank you dear.